Hello everyone, welcome back. Let's do question number 30 today. So in this lecture we will see question number 30 of our chapter number 2, okay, partnership basic account, basic concepts. So Radha, Mary and Fatima are partners sharing profits in the ratio of 5:4:1. Fatima is given a guarantee that her share of profit in any year will not be less than 5,000. Now who has given the guarantee? No, it's not mentioned. So we'll assume that both Radha and Mary have given the guarantee, and whatever is the deficiency, they both will bear in the ratio 5:4. The profit for the year ending 31st March 2006 amounts to rupees 35,000. Shortfall, if any, in the profits guaranteed to Fatima is to be borne by Radha and Mary. Okay, they have mentioned that it is to be borne by Radha and Mary, but they have also given the ratio. It's not 5:4, it will be in the ratio 3:2. Record necessary journal entry to show distribution of profit among the partners. Again, they have asked for journal entries. So we know that whenever journal entries are asked, first we need our P&L appropriation rough draft. How much was the total profit? I guess it was 35,000, yes. To profit transfer to capital account. Now, Radha, Mary and Fatima. Let's see, out of 35,000, her share was 5:10. So 17,500. Yeah. Mary, 35,000 multiplied by 4:10. That comes to 14,000. And last one, Fatima, 35,000 multiplied by 1/10, that is 3,500. Now the guarantee was of 5,000 rupees, so the deficiency is of we can see 1,500 rupees the deficiency. Now this deficiency of 1,500 will be borne by Radha and Mary in the ratio 3:2 minus Fatima's guarantee 1,500 multiplied by 3/5, so 900. This comes to 16,600. Yeah. Here minus Fatima guarantee 1,500 multiplied by 2/5, that comes to 600. So 13,400, yes, and plus Radha guarantee equals to 900 plus Mary equals to 600. So totally 55,000. This comes 35,000. This is our balancing profit. The question has asked us to give what journal entry, so we'll give the journal entry. The first journal entry being P&L account debit to P&L appropriation account, that being 35,000. Now the second and the important entry, P&L appropriation account debit to Radha's capital to Mary I'm sorry. Oh my God. And the last one to Fatima's. So the amounts are 16,600. This is 35,000. 16,600, 13,400 and 5,000. The journal entries are done. So a small and easy question. We just had to remember that because the question had already given us how the guarantee amount is to be divided, deficiency is to be divided, we had to do like that only. Okay. Let's see the next question. Question number 31. X, Y and Z are partners in a partnership sharing profits and losses in the ratio 3:2:1 respectively. Z's share in the profits is guaranteed by X and Y to be a minimum of rupees 8,000. The net profit for the year ended 31st March 2006 was 30,000. Prepare P&L appropriation account indicating the amount finally due to each partner. Such a simple question. Okay, let's do it quickly. Let's see whether you are able to do it before me or not. Yeah. Question number 31. Okay, let's start. Yeah, total profit was how much? Total profit of rupees 30,000. Yeah. Now profit will be transferred to capital account X, Y and Z. Out of 30, how much is excess share? Excess share is 3/6. That comes to 15,000. Y share is 2/6. That comes to 10,000. Z's share 1/6. That comes to 5,000. The deficiency is of 3,000. Now the deficiency of 3,000 will be borne by X and Y. In which ratio? In their profit sharing ratio, which is 3:2. So minus Z's guarantee of how much? 3,000, and in 3,000 his share will be 3/5. Okay, so that comes to 5, 6, 1,800. So this comes to 13,200. Yeah, 13,200. Z minus Z's guarantee, how? 3,000 is the deficiency in the ratio 2/5. So 1200. So this comes to 8,800 and plus X's share plus Y's share. X gave 1800, Y gave 1200. So in total 8,000. Okay, this here 30,000. This is our balance. And question number 31 is done. Yeah. Let's see question number 32. Arun, Bobby and Chintu are partners in a firm sharing profits in the ratio of 2:1. According to the terms of the partnership agreement, Chintu has to get a minimum of rupees 60,000 irrespective of the profits of the firm. Any deficiency to Chintu on account of such guarantee shall be borne by only Arun, the first partner. Okay. Prepare the P&L appropriation account showing distribution of profit among the partners. In case of the profits for the year 2006 are 2,50,000 and 3,60,000. So, two cases, case 1 2,50,000, case 2 3,60,000. The first case is 2,50,000. Okay, let's see. Arun, only he gave the guarantee. Arun, so we'll 2,50,000 multiply by 2 upon 5. That comes 2 rupees. 5 into 2, 1 lakh. We'll leave some space. Bobby, $2,50,000 into 2 upon 5, that is 1 lakh. His 1 lakh is fixed. The third one is Chintu, 2,50,000, 1 upon 5, that comes to 50,000. The guarantee was 60,000 and that guarantee was to be given by only Arun. So, minus Chintu's guarantee of rupees 10,000. So, his remaining only 90,000. His 1 lakh is freezed plus Arun share of 10,000, 60,000. Here we get 2,50,000. That's our total 2,50,000. Now, in case 2, 3,60,000. To profit transfer to capital account. That comes to this one is Chintu. Now 72,000 is more than the 60,000 which was promised to him. That means Arun does not have to give any share. Okay. So question number 32 is also done, both the cases, case 1 and case 2. Okay, I have shown you just so that we can understand the comparison, how it is different. I hope you are able to see it clearly. Yeah. Let us see question number 33. Ashok, Brijesh and Cheena are partners sharing profits and losses in the ratio of 2:1. Ashok and Brijesh have guaranteed that Cheena share in any year shall be less than rupees, guarantee shall not be less than rupees 20,000. The net profit for the year amounted 2006 amounted to 70,000. Prepare P&L appropriation account. Easy answer, just be do remember that here it is should be less than, no, it should not be less than. Yeah, how much is the profit? Profit transfer to capital account, Ashok. Okay, how much out of 70,000? His share, Ashok's share is 2/5, that comes to 28,000. We'll leave some space. Then we have Brijesh. Same 2/5. Again the answer is same. We'll leave some space. The third one is Cheena. $70,000 multiplied by 1/5, that comes to 14,000. The guarantee was how much? 20,000. So the deficiency is how much? Deficiency is 6,000. 20,000 minus 14,000, 6,000. This deficiency will be borne by Ashok and Brijesh. Okay, and in which ratio? In their own ratio. Their own ratio is 2:2. That means it is 1:1. 2:2 is what? 1:1 or 3:3 or 5:5. Okay, so whenever equal numbers are there, we will reduce it to 1:1. So minus China's guarantee of rupees 6,000 1/2. Okay, 2:2 is 1:1. 1:1 means 1/2. 1/2. That is 3,000. That comes to 25,000. Here also minus China's guarantee plus Ashok's guarantee plus Brijesh's. So we get 20,000. The total is same, 70,000. Okay, we'll do question number 34 in our next video. I hope you liked it. Thank you so much.